What's up, guys? Welcome to Editors United, and for today's video I'm going to show you guys how to quickly make a animated GIF in Adobe Premiere Pro. Super simple. So yeah, as you saw at the beginning, Shazam doing a little backpack kick dance. That was super simple, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I created that GIF. So first, let's go ahead and delete this current GIF I have. Well, actually, we'll keep that for now. Let's go ahead and insert the video footage. Now, we actually don't need to keep the audio, so let's go ahead and unlink that, take that off. Alright, so now let's go ahead and go to the part that you actually want to have animated. We'll have in a GIF form, and that will be the dancing part. So let's find that real quick. Let's see, I feel like we're getting close. Alright, right there, perfect. Alright, so let's go ahead and go to the beginning of that. And if you were using any other footage, you would just first go to the part that you would like it to start. And we deleted all the other portions. And let's play that. Alright, so let's go ahead and cut it out right when he stops, right before he goes to the next scene. Perfect. Alright, now let's go ahead and put that down here. Alright, let's go ahead and put that at the beginning now. So now we got the clip. It's a very quick, and not even a second. It's almost a second, about 23 frames. Alright, so once you have the part cut out that you want to make into a GIF, you would then just export. I'm going to go ahead and use the short key command, Command M on Mac, or it would be Control M, I believe, on PC. And on your format up here on your export settings, make sure that it has animated GIF. Alright, so you go ahead and click that. Yours may be on the H.264 if you're like a YouTuber like myself, but just change that H.264 or whatever you have to the animated GIF. For the preset, you can also keep that as the same animated GIF. And let's go ahead and change that output to GIF 3. Alright, and I guess you can name it anything you want, but for this I'm going to be naming it this. And yeah, everything else will be the same. If you had audio, you wouldn't be able to export the audio anyway, since it's a GIF. And yeah, let's go ahead and cue that up. Or if you don't have if you don't have the media encoder, you can just export it here. But I do have the media encoder, so let me go ahead and let that come up real quick. Alright, so now I got it up on my media encoder. Everything looks good, having the right folder. So let's go ahead and start the cue. This should be done very quick since it's like not even a second. Alright, we got the video footage. I guess we got the GIF footage. And now let me go ahead and just export that there, GIF 3. Bam. Alright, now we just bam, put that there on the timeline. Yeah, guys, we got a GIF, and as you can see, it's fully functional. Bam, it just plays and plays and plays and plays to your heart's content. But anyway, guys, that's a quick way to create a GIF on Adobe Premiere Pro. If you have any further questions, feel free to let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, guys, everybody stay groovy now. Cheers.